Solar panels allow you to generate your own renewable energy. When combined with battery storage, you can further lower energy costs and increase self-sufficiency. Without a battery, the energy generated by your solar panels is used as needed during the day. Some of your unused energy can be sent back to our grid, earning you a credit on your BC Hydro bill through our self-generation program. When your system isn't generating enough to meet your energy needs, we supply you with electricity from our grid. With battery storage, your solar panels will generate power while the sun's out, and the extra energy you don't need is stored in your battery. When your battery's full, your excess energy will be sent back to our grid for a credit. The stored energy is then available for you to use at night, in the event of a power outage, or anytime you need it. If your battery runs out, you can rely on electricity supplied by our grid. Pairing a battery with your solar panels that's correctly sized for your energy needs helps you optimize the benefits of your system and gives you more flexibility. Combined, a solar and battery storage system helps you use more of your self-generated electricity and less from our grid. This helps you become more self-sufficient and can help reduce your electricity bills.